6 years ago, on a whim, I sent an email to the engineering school to see if they'd ever have a couple of students that would be interested in building a bike for me, for somebody with CP who loves being outdoors, wants the opportunity to ride a bike, but you know, when he's contacted numerous bike companies, they've said, well, if you've got $10,000, we'll build you a bike. And so I sent Dr. Firiakos an email, and a couple weeks later she said, well, let's set up a meeting and chat. And so that was actually the beginning of this project. Her, Dr. Pathis, and I talked, and they said, well, what if we build this into our sophomore design class? And so, you know, they'll spend the fall semester learning about you, learning about what CP is. You'll come in and lecture on CP, help them understand the needs that you have, and then ultimately, you know, our goal is to then be able to build you a bike by the end. The first year there were 6 different prototypes for me to choose from, and so I got to ride each and every, or attempt to ride each and every bike. The joy for me is on a personal level, it has allowed me to pursue something I was very passionate about, be able to enjoy the outdoors, get a great workout. That following spring, I was able to do my first 5K on the bike. At that point, I was 30 years old, and I had never had a chance to compete, never had a chance to be an athlete. And that's what that bike provided me, because it allowed me to have that opportunity. You know, did I finish first? No. Did I finish last in that race? No. But the thought of finally at 30 years old, I got to know what it felt like to be an athlete and to compete. And so now being able to share that and identify a client each and every year that the engineering school can then work on building a bike for, and allow somebody like Lena or somebody like Troy or somebody like Ricky pursue that same dream of doing something that they never thought was possible.